Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to contact shop on Weverse account. So first of all, launch Weverse application on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now at the bottom you'll see the category of shop. Tap on it. Once you come here, you can see various products recommended to you. Tap on any in order to continue. So, once you tap open the product, simply scroll down below. Now over here you'll see the option of Weverse Company Business Info. You can see the phone number given here and other various details. You can simply contact Weverse Shop by noting down their phone number. You can contact them through this phone number given over here. You can simply copy it, call them, or even text them. You can also email them as well, as their email is given over here. So that's how simply you could contact Weverse Shop on your Weverse account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.